Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. So open up the Instagram app on your Android or iPhone. Now you need to click on the profile picture that you see in the bottom right hand corner. Now at the top right hand corner you can see three lines, horizontal lines. Tap on it. It will open up the settings and activity. Now scroll a little bit and you can see the option time management. You need to tap on that one. Now at the bottom you can see two options, sleep mode and daily limit. Click on the sleep mode. So right now if it is turned on for you and there is a start time and end time or day selected, then you need to simply toggle this just like this, okay, and it will be turned off. So this is how easily you can turn off sleep mode on Instagram. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.